finally found the back way in. I'm taking a video. Back way in here. I'm with Richard Lowell. And back way into this one radio tower. This is on one of the mountaintops behind Carson City, behind Cinderlight up Goney. I don't think this is the lookout over by the highway. I think that's still more over this end. So we'll go up here. I had to finagle around, finally found the road that cuts over to here. Little Amigo is running just great, doing a wonderful job. Went up a fairly nasty little gravel hill. It was safe but loose. Now, is there another one over there, Rich? There's that house. Yeah. Another radio tower on that side. Do you see anywhere?
I don't see a radio tower. We got telephone poles there. Power poles.
See? Now, we might be able to get over to there from this one over here. But I don't know if we can get out. We came up the best way though. Yeah, so you can, that one takes off too, but I don't know where that goes. I think that's the one at the bottom that's fenced off. That one over there. That is. That's their direct road that's fenced off by the county or whatever it is, the state. To go somewhere you've never been before.
Yeah.
Pretty decent roads though. They were all, you know, safe, not on the edge of a cliff. Don't want to roll down a cliff or slide down a cliff. That's always a bad thing. A couple little tight areas we were in, but a little loose, but did it. Just kept the momentum going. Up. I doubt it. They got to get here to work on it. Now, clear over there. You don't see another one on a mountain, huh? I think we're still hidden behind the hill. Warning, do not come up here or you get arrested.
Yeah. Stay out.
Sweet. Okay. Now I'm still recording. We're just going to continue. I think we're locked in. Washoe Lake. We are up here. Okay, yeah, this is not the one. There's another tower over there on the other side of that mountain. Let's see. Wow, and I'd like to find that one up there someday at the very top up there. There you go. Then came Bronson. Good job. Amigo. Hard to stop. 99 Adventure Mobile. Morning. Don't go beyond that point. You might get exposure. Get zapped. So this is. Yeah, I think this is the one.
Yeah.
This is the view. Look at that. Yeah, we came in from clear over on the other side of that little mountain pop right there, way down over that way. See, there's Arrowhead along the bottom right there. Yep, there's the highway. And right there's the intersection. And to the right, right at the bottom, where the cars are going right there, there's that new expensive Best Inn that's not the best price. Straight across and to the hospital. So this is the tower. Way back in that other corner, clear on the other side, that's Kings Canyon. That's awesome over there. God, what a view. Okay, what's the date today, Rich? April 23rd, I think? 23rd or 24th. Yeah. And I have 23rd. I have 8 days of radiation still, so I thought I'd come up here and put a final step on it and get radiated by these puppies. Hey, at least it's beautiful. Later.